morning guys, so we've just come out on a day tour this morning. We're currently at the rice terraces and it is so quiet. We're here at 8:41 AM. Honestly, it's so worth coming early because it is so quiet at the moment. I highly recommend it. So our tour guide has taken us to one of the trekking spots in the rice terraces so we can trek around. So when we got here this morning it was really cloudy. But it's actually sunny now. The sun's just come out, so it's so beautiful. Because we've got a guide, he knows all of the good places to go here, so he's taking us off the beaten track, away from where everybody is, to some cool parts. So we're going a bit off-road. I'll show you. It's taking us right through the middle of the fields here. My shoes have got quite muddy because these are conditions. So we started over there and we've walked all the way down through the rice fields, down, back up, and we're now inside. We are literally walking through the middle of the rice terraces here again, and there are basically no other people here. I think another reason to come here early in the morning as well is because it's about 11:30, I think. 11. No, it's probably about
a few moments later.
Only 9:20 and it is already getting very hot, and if you're doing that trek it's quite strenuous and it gets very hot, so I recommend coming early. He said it's very cold, so we'll see if we can actually get in it, if we're brave enough. In the meantime, we went for lunch after the breakfast after the rice terraces to a place called Mango Cafe. It was about half an hour away from the rice terraces, probably about 20 minutes, half an hour away from this waterfall. And then we made our way through some really beautiful places to this waterfall, which you can actually probably hear in the background. One realisation we did just have, or I did just have, is that we do have to walk back up all of these stairs after seeing people struggling walking up. just driven about 20 minutes to our next waterfall. We're going to see if we can swim in this one. We're not sure, but we will see again if it's not too cold. This is where we're going for lunch over there. So we're walking through the rice fields to get to our lunch place. But it's also just rained, so as you can see it's very wet. Showing us out of the restaurant. So we have just come to a place called Ganangkali, and it's an ancient site. If you do come here, our tour guide told us that the ladies outside the site will tell you that you need sarong to come in here, but it's actually included in your ticket price, so you don't need to buy one from them. Top tip. So this place is situated right in the rice fields, and you walk down all of these steps through the rice fields.